Welcome, America, to Warrensburg, Missouri, where the camera is not showing the fact that it's white outside. I have shoveled my driveway 3 times in the last 24 hours. And so I am impressed that we have a full class. And so welcome, America. And it's a really awkward. The TV announcers make it look very easy to look into a black box and pretend it's someone's face and talk to them. It looks, TV announcers, professional, they make it look very easy, but it is not that, comfy. Although this is my 3rd semester being videotaped, so it's gotten a little easier. So, question number 1, Sadie, where's Sadie? Somehow or other, probably because you turned it in maybe last. What is accounting? How many accounting classes have you had? Not very many. I'm not sure. How many? Has anybody here had 5 or more accounting classes? How about 6? 5's the limit. So 5. I've never done this before, so let's ask somebody who's taken a lot of accounting classes. What is accounting? Debits and credits. I like it. It's brief. I do like that. Who else raised their hand? In the light blue. You raised your hand. Did you not? I did. Yeah. You've had at least 5 accounting classes. So what's accounting? Record keeping. Okay, sir.
Isn't it giving information about a company's financial well-being and how they're doing, just presenting it for outsiders to look at?
How many accounting classes have you had? 3. 2 of which are financial accounting. Because that would be a financial accounting definition. Because there's just one word that I would take. Don't want to say it too strongly. Take issue with in that definition, and that is the word financial, right? Is the number of widgets we've produced this year, is that a useful piece of accounting information? Yes. Does it have a dollar sign in front of it? No. So in particular, my classes being principles of managerial and then cost and managerial, I think those are the classes, and there really are almost the only classes where financial accounting information isn't necessarily the primary focus. Although certainly we're going to see lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of numbers with dollar signs in front of them. Okay? But let's not limit it just to financial. Do you remember? What is it, man?
Tool for decision making.
Right answer, wrong question. Correct answer, wrong question. Yes, ma'am. Information. It's information. What is accounting?
Information.
Information. I like short definitions. It means you don't have to write as much. And you've already got it all filled out. Information, okay? What is accounting? Information. And then if accounting is information, what is an accountant? Cody. What would you say? And you've got a prime seat, man. You are so far back there, you will never even have the back of your head on camera. And you are so far away. The microphone, by the way, is not at the camera, it's on me. And so you will never be heard and never be seen.
What seat was that?
It gathers the information, okay? Michael Newland, where's Michael? Michael, what do you think? Is that all they're going to do is a gatherer? A harvester? Is that all the accountant's going to do?
No, you're going to spit it out on some paper.
Oh, going to spit it out on some paper? Highly technical accounting lingo there. And then, is that it? Then you're done? You put it in a file? Taylor? Okay, and there's one other word I would like to add to that list. Organize, analyze, we can add those to the list. Communicate. Who said that? Very good. Although I'm going to give you a one-word answer that summarizes all of that. But communication is very important. You all know that you need 150 hours to sit for the CPA exam. The reason that when I took the CPA exam, I only needed 120. The reason for the extra 30 hours was not so that you would learn more accounting. It was so that you would learn more communication and other sorts of skills. And so it's much more important to you and your career than I think you think stereotypically. So the one-word answer is an informer. An informer, which includes the notion, all those notions that Taylor and the rest of you provided, including communication, right? So an informer must be communicating. And so you're going to have lots of opportunities for oral communication practice this semester, and you're going to have some opportunities for written communication practice as well, particularly on the cases. And then finally, what is accounting used for? Would you like to try again? It's used for decision making. We need a two-word answer here. So he did give the right answer just to the wrong question. Accounting is the stuff of decisions. Accounting is the stuff of decisions. You were going to want to get the handy handbook.
Oh, I have it, I just didn't bring it with me.
Okay. So I would encourage you to copy these notes into there.
Yes.
Although you can also, oh, you two, both of you, got a pair of people
We
here.
were gonna slide by unnoticed with that. It just didn't make it into the bag this morning.
This morning, because here I'm seeing missing handy handbook. Do you have one?
No, not yet.
Hurry, hurry.
I will.
Because you're really going to want it next class period, because we're going to do a lot next class period, enough to make hands sore and give people headaches. And so you want to have them, and I would encourage you to get 3-ring binder.
I will.
To-
I'll do
to-
it Walmart.
I mean, not that you have to, there's no rule, no grades, but no grades. Look, this gentleman here is very concerned about grades. And so, no grades, but just as a matter of organization, I would encourage that. So where were we? Decision making. Let's look at the next page. Man, somebody wrecked the board. So here, what I'm going to draw on the board, so here we got, this is somewhat redundant because I've just defined accounting as information, but we're going to have management accounting or managerial accounting information. And then this, by way of review, what is that information used for, Nick? What was the answer to question number 3? Decision making. I mean, we can